Hey, don't you want to see my hair? Don't you want to, oh, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet.
Crown, crown, crown. I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business.
Hey guys, it's your girl Seraph, and welcome back to Styling by Seraph. Yes, I changed the name to Styling by Seraph. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve faux locks in my hair. Keep in mind, this is just a time-lapse video. It is not a video to be a tutorial for educational purposes, and I am not a professional. So don't come at me in these comments or put a dislike, because I just told you. Tune in to the end so you can actually see what my hair looks like on me. I got braiding hair and Marley hair to achieve my faux locks hairstyle. The difference between braiding hair and Marley hair is that braiding hair is a lot smoother and Marley hair is a lot rougher. Braiding hair is used to braid your hair and Marley hair is used to wrap your hair to achieve faux locks. I got 3 packs of braiding hair, which had 3 bundles in each pack, and 4 packs of Marley hair, which had 2 bundles in each pack. So I am going to moisturize my hair before I start braiding, but before I moisturize, I had to take my hair out of braids. I had my hair in braids for a few days, and now I am taking it out. I had to stretch my hair out so I could grab at my hair to braid my hair. As you see in the video, my mama walked in as I was recording. So I didn't mention this before, but I'm using the color 27 in the braiding hair and the color 27 in the Marley hair. In this part of the video, I am creating the braiding hair part. So for the box braids, so I am taking the hair, I am making sure it's stretched out given that I want my hair to be super long, and I'm creating one larger strand and one strand that's half of the size of the larger strand. The strand that is the larger strand is going to be used as 2 strands when you're doing box braids, and the one that's smaller is just 1 strand. I usually create 4 to 5 of these at a time, so I'm not spending a lot of time creating the box braid hair during the process. So now I'm moisturizing my hair, and now I'm going to begin putting in the box braids into my hair. It's hard to see in this video, but I have 3 strands of hair. So how I mentioned before, I created a larger strand to create 2 strands of hair, and then the smaller strand to create 1 strand of hair. And that is how I'm able to do box braids. After you loop those 2 strands together, as you can see, my natural hair is showing through the braid, but because it's being wrapped by the Marley hair, I didn't care. If I was just doing box braids, I'd be more attentive to that. So like I mentioned before, when I was creating the strands of hair for the box braids, I had to stretch it out so it can be the length that I want. But I also do add hair to a box braid. So I added hair at this point, just a little bit, took a little strand of hair from my pile of braiding hair and I added it to the hair to make it that long. So now I am showing you the finished braid and Marley hair that I did before I started doing the braiding hair in the last clip. This is what it looks like after you wrap it. So I was unable to get all the footage I needed to get, but this is me doing the last 2 or 3 braids in my hair. So like I mentioned before, to make it longer, you add hair to the braid that you're already doing. I wish I was able to show you guys that more clearly, but maybe I'll show you guys that next time if you really want it. Now I'm on my final hair. Almost done, guys. Okay, so after I braid all of my hair up, I'm now trimming my hair to the desired length that I would want my locks to be. After I trim it, I begin to wrap my braid with the Marley hair. I start at the very top of the braid and I start to wrap very, very tightly. Once I finish this strand of Marley hair, I then burn where it ends off and I attach another strand of Marley hair by wrapping it and burn it until I get to the desired length at the very bottom. Once I get to the bottom, I then tie both the Marley hair and braiding hair together and burn the ends off. So I was unable to show you guys the full process of wrapping Marley hair, but if that is something you would like to see, definitely let me know. But this is what it looks like. So now you guys are able to see what it looks like because you got to the end of the video, or maybe it's not the end, but you got to the part of the video where you can see my hair. See how cute I look. I look like I'm gonna take your man. I'm joking. I don't got time to take people's man. I need my own man. You feel me? Like, no karma upon me. What y'all think? What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think in them comments below. Let me know if I look cute or not. Don't say no, because I'm gonna fight. I wanted to share more about my experience doing faux locks. So when I entered college in 2014 and I wanted a new look. So I was like, I'm gonna put some locks in my hair. And I did. And I literally, my whole freshman year of college, I had like locks in my hair. And I'm gonna insert some photos for you guys to check out. And it was like my go-to. Like I just it was just like my self-image. I just thought it was my image. Like I was like, this is who I am. And basically I just couldn't let go of it. But it did pull out my edges, okay guys? So I need you guys to keep that in mind. And I did my best in terms of how I did these to not put too much on it so it was heavy. Even though it's super long, I didn't want to put too many braids in my hair because that would pull out my edges, and I didn't grab at my edges like I used to. But back in the day, it pulled out my edges, and I thought that, okay, I'm gonna just keep getting dreads so I can cover my edges. So like right now my edges are covered, so y'all would never know if I had no edges. You wouldn't know. And that's basically what I did back in 2014. I also did 2014, 2015. In 2015, I also did dreads for other people. I think it was just 2015. I don't know if it was 2016 as well. But in this photo, I have the dreads that I've done for, her name is Shelly. She's a model. We went to the same college, so I did her hair a couple times. And like, I was charging them like $50, $60 to do their hair. But like I was charging people like, I was a slave. I was a slave out here because this drawing took me way too much time this time, and it just takes way too much time. There's 2 parts to it and it's just a lot. I actually had to use braiding hair at some point, because meaning to wrap the hair, because I didn't have any Marley hair left over. So you can't even really tell, but like with this one I use braiding hair. So I wouldn't recommend using braiding hair to wrap hair if you want to make it look like faux locks, but do what you gotta do, honey, because this lockdown closed all the beauty stores. I was like, on the day that the governor of New Jersey closed the beauty, not only the beauty stores, but non-essential stores in Jersey, is the day that I made my route to get my hair, because bruh, what are us black girls gonna do? Feel me? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like it if you enjoyed it. Thank you for subscribing, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, okay? So you can check me out on social media. Definitely check out Styling by Seraph at Styling by Seraph on Instagram and Twitter, because I need followers. I'm starting all over. I thought it was best to just create a whole new account. You can follow Serative Guru, the account I already had. And you can follow my businesses, Serative, S-E-R-A-P-H-T-I-V-E. I made these crochet earrings. Crochet earrings will soon be available on Serative. It may not be these exact earrings. I made this necklace. I sell these necklaces on Serative's site. They will be available soon, and these are 7 chakra stones on cellulite. And the outfit you saw me wearing, I also handmade that, and that will be available on Serative's site soon as well. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you for sticking with me and watching this video, because you really wanted to see what I look like. I hope you like it. I hope y'all like it. Tell me what you think of my hair in the comments below. Be nice. Be nice. And give this video a like. Thank you. It's all love. Always sending love.
You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business. Sip your tea and mind your business.